welcome to my new blog post 47. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the project manager's sphere of influence. So let's start. Before starting, please describe. Moving towards our topic, I'm going to discuss about the project manager's sphere of influence. So uh, Normally, when we are talking about project managers basically fulfill numerous roles within their sphere of influence. So these roles reflect the project manager's capabilities and are representative of the value and the contributions of the project management profession. So basically, they have three spheres of influence, and the first one is basically the project on which they are working on. So the project manager basically leads the project team to meet the project's objectives and stakeholders' expectations. The project manager basically works to balance the competing constraints on the project with the resources available. And the next sphere of and this is the most and this is where the project manager have the most influence on his team as well. Next sphere of influence is basically related to the organization. Project manager basically have medium level of authority in this sphere, and basically the project manager proactively interacts with other project managers, other independent projects, or projects that are part of the same program but may impact a project due to, but not limited to, the following, like demands on the same resources, priorities of the funding, receipt or distribution of deliverables, and alignment of project goals and objectives with those of the organizations. Third sphere of influence is basically related to the industry, and this is where the project manager have a very low sphere of influence. It is related to stakeholders, suppliers, customers, and end users. And basically, the project manager stay informed about the current industry trends. The project manager takes this information and sees how it may impact or apply to the current projects. These trends includes like product and technology development, new and changing market niches, standards like project management, quality management, information security management, technical support tools, economic forces, influences affecting the project management, and many more. I will discuss these three influences in detail in my further blogs, uh, which are related to the project, the organization, and the industry. So this is this is a little bit of a overview about the project manager's influence. Now, coming towards our star question, project manager has a medium level of influence on number one, stakeholder and project team. Number two, sponsors and resources managers, PMO and steering committee, and fourth one is customer and end user. Please do not forget to answer the question of this video in comment section of this video, and the answer lies within this video, so you need to see this video repetitively so you can get the answer.